Have you ever been in a situation where you want to speak a lot, you have a lot to share your thoughts, but words don't come to your mind? Have you ever been in that situation? Trust me, I have been in that particular situation a few years ago. Let me share with you an incident. When I was working in my previous job, I need to speak to native speakers in English. They used to do some research work in agricultural field in our tribal area regarding some crops like coffee, black pepper, and they used to ask me some questions in English. And as I am working in the same sector, I was the only person recommended to help them, to answer them. But sometimes I used to face the situation where I know the answer, I have a lot of knowledge on that particular topic, but that word did not come to my mind. I was not able to express my opinion on that particular question due to lack of words. It is such a horrible situation, and I felt very embarrassed. And at that particular moment, I decided that I need to speak English fluently because I understood that if my knowledge is not useful, if what I have learned all these days is not useful, if I am not able to share my knowledge with someone, with anyone, then what is the use? That is the situation, that is the incident that made me realize that English plays a pivotal role in my career. Then I started learning how to speak English. This time, I did not take any excuses. I learned English as a language instead of learning it as a subject. And now I am able to speak English fluently at any time, whenever I want. So, if you are also facing the same problem, like you are not able to get the correct word in any situation, please be in touch with this video till the end. You will find some solutions that will be truly useful to you. The first thing why so many people will not be able to recollect that particular word is that lack of exposure of that particular word in different situations. You need to understand that whenever you find a new word, you need to write it down in your vocabulary notebook. Okay, if not possible, just type it on a notepad and try to frame new sentences on your own using that particular word. Whenever you get an opportunity to use that particular word, don't lose it. Try to recollect that word and use it. It is quite obvious that if you are exposed to that particular word only once or twice, you will not recollect it. It is quite obvious. But you need to mentally prepare yourself that you need to use that particular word only and not to shift your language to your native language. Okay, once you shift your language to your native language from English, then it will be truly hard to you to remember the words. Okay, because whenever you want to share your opinions in English, only your native language words will come to your mind. If you want to stop it, you need to try hard to think in English only. You need to try to use the words in English only, even it is difficult to you. Okay? And the second thing is that whenever you find a new word, while practicing it, try to get to know the correct meaning of the word also. Okay, try to get the explanation, how to explain that particular word, so that whenever you forget that particular word, you can explain it to the other person so that the conversation will continue. So, each and every day, how many words you may target? It may be one word or it may be five words. Don't learn more than five new words per day. Okay, this is my personal suggestion. Maximum five words per day. Whenever you are learning these five words, you need to make sure that you are bringing them to relate to your real life situations. This is truly necessary. You need to relate that particular word to your to the situations that happened in your life, then it will be very easy to you to recollect that particular word, because you have connected, you have paid a way to the word and the incidents in your life. Whenever you want to speak out that particular word, it will definitely strike you if you follow this. And another thing is that be confident whenever you speak. So many of the people are lacking it. Confidence does not come to anyone by birth. It comes by practice, like English speaking skill only. Being confident is also a skill. Try to be confident. Otherwise, even if you have a lot of knowledge and even if you have a lot of points to share, then if you are not confident, you will not be able to share them due to lack of confidence. Always keep in your mind that you need to be confident. If you feel a little bit nervous, then automatically you will have that fear feeling and you will forget words automatically. So try to be confident while speaking, while making conversations with other persons. This is what I wanted to share with you. Just be confident while speaking, and whenever you find a new word, try to relate to your real life situations and try to make sentences with that particular word. Then you will definitely be able to use that particular word whenever you want. Okay, so that is all for this video. See you soon in another video.